also, what do you call it? Yeah. So I got this, found out in YouTube how to change my heat actuator, what do you call it, air Hvac actuator in my car, because it's making this noise. You probably can hear if I turn it on.
You have to turn it all the way on.
As you probably can hear, it's the noise. So I already know it's not the right side, it's the left side. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it based on what I learned on YouTube. So I'm gonna show you what I learned and see if I can fix it myself. And that way you will know yourself how to do it as well. All right, let's get going. So I'm gonna turn the car off. And you can still hear the noise even after I turn it off. So let me get my tools out. I just got these tools today because they told me what kind of tools I need, like a 732 or a screwdriver and a 5.55 millimeters. So I know that I already got. So I need to pop this open. Yep. Let's see if I can open this. Oh, there we go. This part there is open. Oh, am I opening it the wrong way? Oh, maybe I am. Oh, well, y'all just keep watching. Ow. We're going to watch and learn together. All right, so I got to pop this little thing right here. I might need... So maybe this will work better because it's smaller. To pop it open, there you go. And there's one right here too. What is that one? Trust me, I'm gonna open it. Well, I still need to do this piece right here. Let's see. Yeah, got it open. There you go. I'm gonna put these tools right here. So I don't wanna lose this. I think I also had another one. So this one is the 5.5. You're gonna need this one later. Well, I guess I might as well get it out of here. There you go. Ta-da. Alright. Alright, so I'm pretty excited to fix this thing by myself. I better not lose any tools. So how do you get this thing on it? Oh, there you go. So I'm gonna have to use this. So where's this? Can you put this in here like that? How do you have this one? Oh. I need to get this tied in there somehow. Oh, but I figured it out. Oh, I think you might be able to put it in here too, like, nope, doesn't go in. How, what is this thing? Hold on. Ta-da. Because this is supposed to do like that. So you're supposed to get these to turn on. So these pieces. I really don't know how that goes.
There might be a plastic cover on it.
You see? Ah, you see? What was I thinking? This is supposed to go, but this one can't go. It doesn't go in here like, oh, maybe it's this little part. Well, that's not that part. Okay.
Flip it the other side.
Look, so wouldn't this fit in here? Oh, you see? So that's how it works. We're gonna figure it out together, huh? We're gonna figure it out together. So I'm guessing, but this, you cannot go on this one, it's too small. So I might need to get So why wouldn't they make it where you can it in fit in all of them? Oh, it's this tiny one. You see, I keep messing up.
Yeah.
So it's this one.
That's why.
Yeah, you see? So this one you want it like that. Okay. So I gotta work on this one. Removing this panel. You see? Ah. So there's this pieces down here. Ah, that's the first ones I gotta do. So I need a screwdriver for that. Let me see if this one will work. Oh, it's gonna work. I'll put this back on until I get this one out. Get this out. And I better not lose this either. There's this one. And then there's the other one right here. Wait a minute. Hey, I think these people pop a piece, they didn't even put it back.
Where?
That piece right there. Oh, these people be traveling. Hold on. I think they didn't put it back. Oh, no, they did. Wait, on this side. So something is missing here. Oh my God. So let me unscrew this right here. But they didn't put the other piece. Maybe I'm okay. I gotta get this off before I be lying. I don't want to say these people, cause I took it to a place, get it checked, so I know exactly what the problem is before I try to do that. But it looks like so this piece is out. I'll put it right here, and then this is supposed to be right here. I don't see where their part is, or maybe that's the way it comes. So let me try to pop it with this. They say you're supposed to use this and pop it right out. Get it out, trust me. I'm gonna get it out.
Hopefully you don't break it.
That's probably what they did, you think? I need another one. I need this one. Or maybe just that one, let's see. I got it out. There it is.
Wow.
There's that piece. Oh shoot, this thing is not as easy. Look at that. I got some more screws to take off.
Don't lose them.
There it is. I gotta leave these on the floor so I don't lose them. So this is out. Okay. So that little, let's say it's supposed to be in here. I think I see it. Oh, this whole thing's supposed to be coming out now? Did you see they take that out?
I didn't see them do anything.
Okay.
Well, it's a part of the entire dashboard. So.
Yeah. So this is not supposed to be coming out, but it's kind of hard to get in there.
Maybe you can take the bottom piece out. The bottom piece looks like it.
This right here? Oh yeah. There's the other part I gotta pop out. That's what they were talking about. You gotta remove this. Where did it go? I think I heard it. There it is.
Okay.
So this part, I gotta remove this. There's a light thing here I gotta take out. So there's another part here. I need to move this chair back so I can get more room. Okay, there's another piece here. I gotta pop out as well. So you can hear it.
Oh.
I thought I got the keys out.
Sometimes it'll just randomly start.
I'm gonna pop that piece out there. It's not easy.
Are you gonna be able to put them back in?
Yeah. You just put it right back in. You gotta pop it out. Got it out. I guess I got some of the parts out I wasn't even supposed to get out. So it's just this piece. Yeah. So this is out.
You can probably disconnect.
So this one is out too. Make it easier. I did not know I would be able to tear up my car like this. Where's the damn thing? I thought I saw it earlier. It's right here, I think. It's sitting right there. So we're gonna pop these out. So I pop that out.
Stop.
Who is that?
It's Malia. You wanna help the phone? No. Rude.
So I got this piece out. And then,
Do you need a flashlight?
do you have one?
Do you have a flashlight? No. Yes, you do. Where? On your phone.
I got that one out there.
No, I'm recording.
So this one will be out of my way.
No, you didn't want to before.
So I see it.
Wait, what?
So I see one of these. Thanks.
Alright, only has been taking electronic. Want some tropical smoothie.
So I need to make sure. Malia, where's your phone? I need some light.
I'll go get it.
Or a flashlight. I need to go use the restroom so you can pause it.